Hi everyone, I am Ilavarasi. Welcome to my channel. Today you are going to see a super summer drink recipe video. This recipe video was tried especially for you. This recipe mainly contains mint and amla, which has a more health benefit. Mint is rich in water content and amla has a vitamin C, and hence it boosts your immunity in your body. You can drink mint and amla water during afternoon time, especially at this summer. It refreshes and provides a good health to your body. I have added honey in this juice, but you can add salt instead of sugar or honey. Okay, come let's get started with the recipe. Into the small chutney grinder, I am adding 1 handful of mint leaves, 3 amla, finely chopped, and I am adding a little ginger, and I am adding 1 pinch of salt and 1/4 spoon of black peppercorn and little cumin seed. And finally I am adding a little dry ginger powder. If you are adding any kind of sweetener like jaggery or honey, make sure you add dry ginger powder to it. It helps to prevent mouth sore. Just grind into a smooth paste. And I am transferring the mint amla paste into the small bowl, and I am adding a 2 to 3 glasses of water into it. And I am giving a just good mix. And another bowl, I am filtering the juice. Finally, I am adding a 2 tablespoons of honey for this juice. If you like to add sugar, you can just skip this honey and you can add it. Now I am giving a good mix and transfer to the serving glass. It's really a simple summer drink and more healthy in the summer. This drink helps in reducing heat and sweat from the body. That's it. Now summer cool drink was ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next recipe soon. Take care. Bye.